that, and then we're going to turn this into a rug cleaning facility like Central Florida has never seen before. So look what I've got. I've inherited this 40 by 60 workshop, but I'm not going to use it for woodworking like my father did. I'm going to make a rug spa out of this. So follow me as we take all of this stuff out, and I'll show you in just a second what all is in here. We're going to do that, and then we're going to turn this into a rug cleaning facility like Central Florida has never seen before. So I want you to come along with me, join in on the fun and the excitement and the frustration. You might learn something, and I might learn something too. So come on and follow me along. So you see this dumpster, it is almost full. Let me show you what little square footage I actually cleaned to get that much garbage. I ended about right here. This stuff here we're gonna keep. Maybe it's roofing nails and things that we've accumulated, and I cleaned only to that yellow cabinet right there. All that stuff was just in this small little area, and there's still things that need to go. These cans of paint, they're probably no good anymore. Those screens, who knows what those go to. So yeah, we've got plenty of work ahead of us. I'm not gonna be in a super big hurry because just as soon as I get rid of something, a week later I'll need it. So I need to really be thoughtful about what I'm getting rid of, and I need to make sure that when I get rid of something, that it's not something I'm gonna need. Or I don't wanna throw something away that I could sell. Or, well, you know, it's just gonna take some consideration. So if you wanna follow along on this journey, I'm gonna start a series of videos on my YouTube channel, which is what you're probably watching this on. And we're gonna just see what it takes to go from a woodworking shop to a rug cleaning spa. So I hope you wanna join along, and we might have some fun. You might learn a few things along the way. So I hope you're with me. Y'all take care.